Josh at Hometown Heat Pumps here again with some announcements to make. The winner from our February 2018 contest decided not to claim his prize, so we are going to draw another winner. But before we get to that, we have some news about some new financing options offered through Fujitsu. There's no need to wait for income taxes to try to save up. There's a 12-month, same as cash loan, with no monthly payments, no interest, if paid in full within 12 months. There are also several low monthly payment options at interest rates starting at 6.99%. Don't worry, if you don't have good credit, you can still apply. There's another option that will be offered to you. So now is the perfect time to finance your project and save hundreds with the new Fujitsu rebates before they expire. So let's get to drawing the new winner for the $500 off a heat pump with installation. And the winner is Annalisa Pelotti from Waterville. Congratulations, Elisa. We'll be contacting you shortly. If anybody else would like a free in-home consultation, please contact us.